518, and today your weather word is lucky.
Lucky.
Because, you know,
okay.
when you need a hand, you're
right.
lucky if you have someone in your life that's willing to lend it.
Right.
And I think that was an example of it right there.
I appreciate the help on the sandbox, Jay.
Yeah.
Very lucky to have you.
I'm going to help Matt build a sandbox.
Well, you are now.
Yeah.
You're
well,
on there,
I've said, whenever you want it, I'm there.
I know. I just need your DIY. I don't have that skill in life. Great clouds, right? We had the rain this morning in waves. It really wasn't that much. We had a lot of dry air. We are now saturated from top down. I believe that was our 518 flight coming in via paper from the J direction, which is west. But we've saturated from the top down. So you notice the fog now, that dry air that we've had is gone. You're not zapping yourself on anything. So the rain that falls from the clouds now will reach the ground pretty easily. And we're going to have a lot of that over the next 24 to 36 hours or so. We're at 52 degrees. Notice that dew point has climbed up. Dew point was 9 yesterday. Bone dry air. We're up into the 40s. You can actually feel and kind of smell spring outside. We're certainly there in terms of that department. Temperatures are going to stay mild tonight. Notice we're all in the 50s right now. A couple 40s back towards the Wayne County area. Mansfield sitting at 48 degrees. But tonight we're going to hold here. Temperatures aren't going down at all. In fact, they may rise a little bit tonight. We continue with that south wind for the third straight day. It has been breezy at times. It's going to remain breezy overnight into tomorrow as well. But kind of hodgepodge in terms of temperatures. Remember yesterday we didn't have any warm air to tap into, so our southerly wind was blowing in 50-degree air all the way from down south. This air mass has moderated. We're now talking 70s and 80s down towards the south. So we can tap into that. Problem is, there's a frontal boundary just off towards our north. So as this warmth starts to work its way in, this front's going to move through to tomorrow and kind of squash it down. So it's not going to quite get here. We'll likely reach near 60 tomorrow, especially our southern communities. I don't know if it makes it up to the lakeshore, though. It's going to be a close call. But still, the warm air is there. It's just going to barely miss us as it looks right now. Doesn't look like much rain on radar, right? There's a little bit back towards Indiana, but that fills in as this frontal boundary approaches. Remember, we've got a front to the north. Watch what happens over the next 24 hours. Rain just continues to develop, and that rain will be going over the same areas over and over. We call that training. Eventually, that boundary shifts south, and all that training rain and thunderstorm action shifts down towards the Ohio River. That's where they're going to have some big-time flood problems. We've highlighted this last couple days, anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of rain down towards Cincinnati. This is going to fill up the Ohio River. For us, we're still going to get some rain. Flooding problems, I don't think we're going to be dealing with that, although we will have quite a bit of water around here. Hopefully, that'll all soak in here as we go throughout the overnight. There you go. Temperatures rising tonight through the 50s. Let's time out the rain. First batch moves in here tonight. It'll be moderate at times. Temperatures, as I mentioned, staying steady. And remember that boundary is still focused just north of the area. So we continue to get this moisture push in here. Tomorrow morning we'll have rain, maybe a rumble or two around. That will continue through the midday hour. Look at temperatures up near 60 here. Here's our front. We get stuck in the 40s during the afternoon, and watch how it all comes down with showers and kind of raw conditions by tomorrow afternoon and evening. I would imagine we're going to have fog and low clouds coming off the lake, and that will stick around on Friday as the rain settles just down towards our south on Friday. In terms of rainfall, again, heaviest amounts will be south. Our ground can handle this. So we're lucky that we've had a fairly dry stretch of weather over the last couple days, and that will help to support not a lot of flooding around here. So temps drop tomorrow. We're cool and kind of dreary on Friday. Rain will make a return. We've got a system to watch this weekend. Boy, temperatures could spike. We could get some thunderstorms out of this. We'll talk more about that system in particular in the next half hour. But more showers expected as we go throughout the extended. Again, a sure sign we're in spring here with rain every 2 or 3 days. Guys.
Yeah, that's how it works. Matt, thank you. And by the way, we're lucky to have you.
We are lucky to have you, Matt.
I appreciate that. I'm lucky to have you guys. Good family here.
We are a family, believe it or not.
That's true.